Under Aceh skies heavy and gray, a mother kneels where a child once lay. With unstopped tears, a wounded heart is always great. She asks no revenge, she speaks no blame, only breathes the lost, forgotten names. Her hands still shake as she starts to pray to God for mercy night and day, of leaders fed on stolen gold, who feast above the dead and cold under Indonesia's colonial rule. If heaven hears a quiet cry, let this one rise, let this one fly. Don't let sadness and continuously cry make us strong, no one can deny. Oh God, see these falling tears, a wounded land through silent years, while power laughs and walks in flame. Your people starve in grief and shame. That stolen gold will turn to chains. We stand with faith through loss and pain. Do not let lies define our past. Send down your truth, let justice last. We were a nation strong and sure. Our laws were just, our hearts were pure. The open sea, our chosen way. Honor our guide, truth our stay. Now mass graves scar this broken ground, marked by Indonesia's cruelty and colonization. While distant towers rise unbound, they drink beneath the chandelier as children's bones lie forgotten and nameless here. If justice sleeps behind the sky, awake it now, do not pass by. We need your mercy, don't let us cry. Oh God, see these fallen tears, the wounded land through silent years, while power feeds on stolen hands. The poor still kneel on hollow plans. That stolen gold will choke their breath. We bow in faith, not fear, not death. Do not let cruelty rule the land. Break through the dark, take back command. Medals shine on guilty chests, killers praised as history's best. This is lies, don't let them pass. Etche Papua buried deep, deny the right to mourn or weep. They said that time would heal our pain, but time-past wounds remain unchanged. That cruelty is always on our minds, it will remain. Oh God, hear now this rising plea, broken soul to open sea. Our prayers are storms, not empty sound. They gather strength beneath this ground. We are not lost, we are not gone. We stand as proof, we still live on. Though truth was buried, names erased, your justice waits, unmoved, unbraced. But hear this truth, the spirit of Aceh has never died. It lives in mothers' prayers, in fathers' silent tears, and in the courage of children hope. Those who refuse to forget, we trust in your power, oh God. Soon or in time to come, your judgment and your justice will arrive. For those who mock and desecrate the land of our share, the sacred veranda of Mecca. We believe this, the prayer of the oppressed has no barrier, and is answered without delay.